Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be completely sealing up and putting on all the covers on this 4-valve 4.6 liter motor. So let's get into today's video. Alrighty, let's get into it guys. I know I said I was going to paint up all the covers a different color. I was going to paint up the block, the heads, going to do the oil pan, all that stuff. I am not going to do any of that. I'm actually going to take this like a new girlfriend. You don't want to be buying her a bunch of stuff before she puts out. So I'm going to beat the crap out of this, and whenever we do pull it out again, I will paint it up and make it nice and pretty. But for right now, I'm just going to close it up, seal it up, make sure I don't have any oil leaks or coolant leaks, and then we can get back to trying to break in this motor and make sure that it stays together. So let's get into it. There's a lot of work to be done, and only thing left to do is do it. For the amount of times that I have put this 4-valve motor together, you'd think I'd stop being so excited when it comes back together. But yet again, super freaking excited. This thing is completely closed up. We can finally start to put the gearbox on the back. Well, first we have to put the flywheel, then we need to put the clutch pressure plate and put the gearbox back on it. And then we can pop this bad boy back in the car, wire it up, and inherit for the first time since I gapped these rings properly. So hopefully we got it right. I'm definitely confident that this thing is going to be sound this time. Alright guys, and there you have it. My 4-valve motor is back together. And by the amount of teeth that I'm showing, you can tell I'm super excited about it. I think this is the most confident that I've ever been in this motor running right. And it's just so funny that I didn't repaint it. I was like, no, I'm not gonna waste my money painting this thing again. I'm gonna hear this thing run. We're gonna beat the brakes off of this. We're gonna break in this motor. We're gonna do some racing. We're gonna do some drifting. And we're just gonna all around enjoy this car. And hopefully we can get this thing back in the car very soon, because I think I'm only waiting on some motor mounts to come in for it, so I can put the entire thing together with the gearbox, and we could just wait on those motor mounts. Once those motor mounts come in, we throw it right back in the car. We're not going to waste any time doing that, and then we should be back to running this 4-valve motor. And I'm actually going to be getting it tuned the moment that we put the motor in and we break it in. I'm going to break it in with the stock 4-valve injectors, and I'm also going to get a tune for this thing so that we can get every bit of horsepower out of it that we can. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. I love you, 4-valve motor. Never leave me.